Top 6 Best Track Saws. However, when it's time to choose the right track saws, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best track saws on the market today, so if you're interested in what track saws will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best Overall Bosch GTK 13-225 Track Saw.
The Bosch track saw performed the most cuts the best and the easiest in the tests we ran. It's the easiest saw in the group to engage the thin rail on its track. No fussing around trying to get it just so. It slides easily. The motor is plush even under duress like cutting red oak or composite decking. It runs smoothly, and there was no need to dial down its variable speed because the cuts were crisp with near zero tear out or blade marks left in the work. It comes with two 63-inch rails and a great carry bag to keep rails safe on a job site or in a busy shop. The 126 inches of rail, plus the longest cord on any track saw we tested, makes it an absolute go-to for long rips and crosscuts and deck building activities. There was zero vibration with a nice, upright handle position, sensible switches, and easily the most power. This saw delivered on all counts.
Number 2. Runner-up Makita SP6000J Plunge Circular Saw.
Are you looking for a saw that'll deliver precision and accuracy in hard-to-cut sheet materials? Then you're ready for the Makita SP6000J 6.5-inch Plunge Circular Saw. A saw that's ideal for ripping and cross-cutting sheet materials and engineered to provide you precise, splinter-free cuts. The SP6000J is built with superior features designed to deliver best-in-class accuracy, versatility, and performance. The saw features a precision cutting system, which includes dual bevel supports to keep the saw squared to the material, and is engineered to keep the line of cut in exact position regardless of the angle of the bevel. The precision cutting system ensures precise cuts and saves setup time. The SP6000J has a bevel cutting capacity of 1 to 48 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Adding to the precision cutting capabilities is the Quick Depth Stop feature. To achieve a precise cut, set the depth to 1/16 of an inch by activating the Quick Depth Stop button. Now, this allows you to score the surface across the material. Then release the Quick Depth Stop setting and make the final cut. The SP6000J can make a close-to-the-wall cut of only 11/16 of an inch for expanding applications. At the heart of the system is the optional guide rail that accommodates the saw's base with zero play. The durable aluminum rails are available in 55 and 118-inch lengths for either cross-cut or rip cuts on a variety of sheet materials. The Makita guide rails also accommodate other saw brands. Along the end of the guide rail is a splinter guard strip that serves as an exact cut line. The replaceable non-slip scripts on the bottom of the guide rail will reduce shifting of the guide rail while cutting. For an increased grip, simply slide the optional clamps into the T-slots on the bottom of the guide rail, securing them against the workpiece. Once the guide rail is positioned on the line of cut, place the SP6000J onto the track. Then remove any play by adjusting the cams at the front and rear of the saw's base. This will help create a precise and splinter-free cut. Makita's built the SP6000J circular saw with state-of-the-art electronic and mechanical features that'll reinforce Makita's legacy of...
Number 3. Best Budget When CT1065 10-amp 6.5-inch plunge cut sidewinder.
This track saw won't break the bank, and it shows. The tool has been value engineered to be so low cost that it doesn't do what needs to be done. It has 3 depth stops, approximately 1/4 inch, 5/8 inch, and full depth. None of those are the most common depths used, 1 inch, for breaking down plywood, and 1 1/4 inches for rips and crosscuts and decking. While those materials can be cut at full depth, and the wind will cut them, what also happens is the substrate is also cut. Some pros use 1-inch rigid foam insulation over a plywood table as a sacrificial substrate.
Number 4. Best part of larger system. Kreg ACS 2000 Adaptive Cutting System Saw.
The saw performed admirably in oak, pine, plywood, and decking, and the rail is a useful length. The Kreg track saw is the only blade left in the group, which makes it easier to see the saw and the rail when making a cut. The upright handle design makes pushing the tool through a long rip or crosscut a little easier than with more top-mounted handles. It has a high-quality, very long cord and a great carry bag. It even has a dust bag, which we wish every track saw had. While each saw is ready to be hooked up to a vac or dust collection, gathering the dust isn't always practical or necessary, say for making trim cuts in decking or trimming a couple of door bottoms outside. It has a lush soft start and an effective electronic brake. There's a splinter guard on both the track, right side of blade, and the left side of the blade. The tool felt resistance in composite and oak. It left burn marks in the oak, but slowing the tool down from 6 to 4 fixed that issue. It also slowed down the cut. For a shop where the track saw will be part of a system and the benches and tables won't be custom built, the Kreg saw is designed to be part of the brand's comprehensive work table system.
Number 5. Best Multi-Material Saw. Evolution R185 CCSX Circular Track Saw Kit.
The Evolution saw is a unique take on the category. While it is a circular saw that rides on a track and is entirely suitable for some carpentry jobs like resizing a hollow core door, it performed nicely doing so. This is a circular saw first. It just happens to have a shoe, aka base or plate, that adapts to its 40-inch, screw-together track. As a result, the fact that it left clean cuts in almost nothing else isn't a demerit. This tool is designed for the occasional straight cut and finish stock but is better suited to sizing metal roofing or cutting square tube steel, PVC pipe, or plastic roofing.
Number 6. Smooth, splinter-free cuts. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 REQF Plus.
This saw is well built and durable, so it can withstand heavy use day after day on a busy job site. Reviewers give it high marks for reliable precision. One Amazon customer raved that the cuts are so perfectly straight and smooth, they look like they were done with a laser. This saw comes too lonely, but Festool sells the same model as part of a kit that includes a track. Either way, splinters will become a thing of the past. Pros: impressively smooth cuts, durable construction. Cons: expensive. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.